If you want to make your grooves more interesting, here is a piece of advice for you. If you haven't used much open hi-hat stuff before, this is the video for you. What we're going to do is add an open hi-hat on the of beat 2. Bear with me. 1, 2, like that. So let's take a normal 8th note groove. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and perfect. Amazing. If you don't know how to play this, check out my new Drummers Toolkit playlist. It's got literally everything you need to know on there. So how we count 16th notes is 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. We're only worried about the of 2. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. So you're going to play your normal 8th note groove. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. First things first, start counting 16th notes just to get used to them. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Great. Next, what I want you to do is try and play the of 2 on the hi-hat with your left hand. So it's going to come from the snare drum up to the hi-hat. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Now all you've got to do is open the hi-hat on the and close it on 3. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, close. Down with your right hand. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, close. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E